a new day, add in the positive thoughts, subtract out the negative energy, make it all equal to one fantastic day. A very good morning to all the third year students as well as final year students. Today I am very happy to invite Bharat from Venba Technologies and Marisamy from Exaware Technologies. So definitely this section is useful for all the third year students. I will hand over the session to Bharat. Continue Panningma.
Okay, ma'am.
Please continue Bharat.
Thank you, ma'am. Okay,
Okay,
ma'am.
thanks.
Hi, everybody. I hope everyone is safe during this pandemic. Today, I welcome all you guys for this session about talking about pre-placement. Uh, you guys have attended so far 4 sessions, right? What do you think? Anyone can say, what do you think about placements? So far, you are attended the sessions. Anyone can speak?
Unmute பண்ணிட்டு நீங்க கால் பேசுங்கம்மா. Students, please unmute and convey your opinion, your thoughts. Anyone? Students?
Yeah, you can raise your hands if you want to.
Otherwise, Divya? Divya is there, Amma? Divya?
Share your thoughts about placement, guys.
Sriram? Can I audible? Can I audible? Yeah, anyone? Share your thoughts.
So you guys have attended 4 sessions, right?
Vignesh?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, you convey your thoughts, ma. Already you attended 4 sessions, no?
Yes, ma'am.
You tell your thoughts.
My thought, ma'am.
Because for your third year students only, they are taking final year students, they are taking more effort. Correct? Just
Yeah,
you
yes,
have to convey your thoughts. What you learned, what you got. That things you have to share, ma.
Yeah, okay, ma'am. Sure, ma'am. Like,
Yeah.
from third year, we heartily congratulate the seniors for taking an effort to enrich our knowledge by sharing your thoughts about the placement and your placement preparation. So it's a useful time spending time. It's a useful talk spending time with you all guys. And I hope you will help us in further placements. Thank you,
Okay, thank
Hari.
you, Vignesh.
Yeah, thank you, Bharat.
Any other guys?
Thank you, Vignesh. Yes.
Thank you, ma'am. இல்ல மேம் பிளான் பண்ணி தான் பண்ணீங்க.
From girls side, anyone? From girls.
Thoughts about this?
Pravalika? Divya?
Yes, ma'am.
Just you convey your thoughts, ma. Already you attended previous sessions, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, just you convey your thoughts, your opinions.
Hello, everyone. Actually, you seniors are taking a lot of initiatives for us and made us and gave us a clear idea about how the placement is going to be. What are the things which we do not do, and what are the things which we have to do for getting placed in a good company and dream companies. So I hope this session is very useful for us. Actually, we attended 4 sessions, right? In all the 4 sessions, we learned many things because someone who is working in a company can give us some guidelines. But one who recently got into the company, getting guidelines from them, it may be far more useful for us.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah,
definitely.
thank you.
Thank
Thank you.
So I'll
Okay.
just let you know about myself. Okay, my name is Bharat, and I have aggregate CGPA of 7.85. Because everyone's saying CGPA is because the company will shortlist based on your CGPA only. So you must have a good CGPA. Like 65% of the CGPA is eligible for any company to attend without arrears. So you guys maintain your CGPA, and I have attended 17 companies throughout my placement career. But I got to final rounds in TCS and Venba Technologies. But TCS in final round I got rejected. Somewhat I don't know why. And from Soliton, okay. First day I have attended the Soliton. First round is the aptitude test. I was little bit panicked so that I could not complete. Hello,
பரத்
சொல்லுடா.
ஸ்லைட் பார்க்க முடியல ஸ்க்ரோல்
ஓகே ஓகே. ஓகேவா, தெரியுதாடா?
ஓகே
So the first company is Soliton. First
Okay,
round is aptitude. I was little
யூஸ் அப்ராப்ரியேட்
தெரியுதாடா?
அபவுட் மை செல்ஃப்
About myself தான் இருக்கு.
ஓகே அதுல தான் எக்ஸ்பிளைன் பண்ணியா ஓகே
About myself தான்டா இருக்கு. So the first company is Soliton, and the first round is aptitude. I was little panicked because it was the first company I attended. So I could not complete the first round itself. I was little upset, and my friend Ayusha got placed. I was very happy for him for getting placed in Soliton. And the second company is Zogo, but I couldn't get placed in because I was weak in C programming and stuff. So after attending Zogo, I started to learn some C programs using skill tracks, Ackerbanks, and Stack Overflow, something like that. And third company is Econ System. In Econ System, they just gave in first round they just gave 5 brain teaser questions. Make sure you guys learn some brain teaser questions and crack it by yourself, because some companies requires a logical, because some companies will test your logic, how you approach the question and tackle the question. So start learning the brain teaser questions. Okay. So there was a 5 questions. I cracked almost 3 questions, but they are expecting more from me, so I couldn't get selected by the econ system. And third company is Delta X. In the first round, they asked questions from Java and data structures. So I am weak in that. I got get selected by the econ systems. And so the companies go on, go on, go on. And I attended the KPIT, which is the easiest company I would get selected, but I couldn't get selected because of programming. And I was like, I learned the programming, but I was think that I have not enough prepared for it to attend the program. So make sure you guys have used skill track to gain your programming skills. And after KPIT and the day one companies came. The day one companies are Wipro, TCS, Infosys, and CTS in Wipro, CTS Infosys, and TCS. TCS is an off-campus drive I have attended, and in the first round they asked the aptitude like quant, verbal, and data interpretation questions. I have cleared it among 10 lakh people in the nation. They conduct every year in the nation. In And I luckily got selected for face-to-face interview among 10 lakh candidates around the nation, but got rejected in the final round. The final round was conducted in Chennai only. And then the 18th company is Venba. It's the luckiest company I got selected, because the result came before the company, the Venba is coming. Then I attended Venba, the 18th company. The common and most important things they ask for placement is, first one, the aptitude test. The quantity, make sure you learn every day what you from the use the book called RS Agarwal. It was very clear and useful for your placements. First thing is quantitative, logical reasoning, and some logic. First, quantitative. In quantitative, you make sure you learn about number systems, statistics, and probability, like the questions you have to read. And then in logical reasoning, Yeah, I forgot the name, what it is, but make sure you learn everything from the logical reasoning and the programming skills. Uh, they are actually the company will expect basic C programming only. You guys might have overcome the Python in your first semester, I think so. So, but make sure you guys know about C programming as well as from the basic you know the C program. And the third one is people skill. The one when you are completing the second round, first round, you will be have a face to face interview with your technical HR and your final round HR. In technical HR, they'll ask some questions from your technical based what you have put in your resume. So from your area of interest, make sure you are well known about your area of interest, and make sure don't put the subject name and something like that. In subject, what you know about the topics. The topic matters for your easier placement, and the technical skills like programming and your way of tackling the problematic questions like that. The test your technical skills and resume. Make sure that your resume should be simple. Don't get complicated. They'll ask more questions from your resume only, so be aware of that. So these are the common and most important points for the placements. And this is my Venvatech selection process. First thing, some companies shortlist your name from your CGPA only. So I secured a 7.85 CGPA, and it's converted into a percentage of 76%. So I got selected in this shortlisted for this company. First round is aptitude test, which is a written test. Okay, some companies will give you a written test, or some companies will give you a online test. But written test, they will check your way you some because core companies will always test your logical skills, how you tackle the questions and what logic you have approached for the question. So make sure you will use the logic in a good way. First aptitude, then technical interview. In aptitude test, written test, they ask some questions from circuit theory. Okay, the circuit theory, and then in technical interview they ask the circuit. 1 minute. Aptitude for circuit theory and quants and logical reasoning question. That's it. In technical interview, they ask the question from the written test from the circuit theory only, because they need to know I have the basic skills which I learned from the second semester. So they will test your knowledge about the circuit, like the theory. I mean the core paper which we have studied in the past year, 5 semesters. And HR interview, they just HR interview, face to face interview. They just ask about what is your name and what is your weakness, hobbies, and some simple questions like that. So this is what happened to me in Venvatech selection process. These are the technical questions were asked were 25 from circuit theory, and quants 15 questions, and logical is 10 questions. And the technical questions will be from topics such as Thevenin's theorem, superposition theorem, mesh analysis, node analysis, and some logic gate based questions. And if you are going to attend some companies will be purely code, they won't ask coding like C++. So when I attended the Venvatech, they didn't ask anything like coding and all. So it was like I felt lucky because I was weak in coding. That's why I felt lucky. And in second round, as I said, the applicants ask questions based on written test and approach of logic. And you should, and also they ask some area of interest because I have put area of interest as circuit theory only, and second one is DLC. So they ask questions from that, and also make sure you have done projects. You might have do some projects in third year also, and do it and win the contest, guys. Because they need to know you have skills as an engineer to do a project by yourself. And then when you are going to attend an interview, make sure you are wearing a full formal, wearing a tie and like that stuff. And in 1 minute, guys. And attending a face-to-face interview, make sure you're so interactive with the HR and impress him in a good way. And these are the frequently asked questions. Tell me about yourself. What are your hobbies? What are your weakness? And what do you do to overcome your weakness? Like that questions, and then puzzles like that. And this is about Venmagana. Before that, I would like to say something about day one companies. Wipro, CTS, and Infosys are the on-campus placement drives, and TCS is the off-campus placement drives. When you are attending day one companies, Wipro, they'll give a company-based company recommend based training by our college by smart organization. They will come and teach you about the quants, logical reason, data interpretation questions, and coding also. It will be conducted for 3 days for each company. When you are attend the Wipro, make sure you note every questions in your notebook so that 70% of the questions will come for your placement recruitment training. I have realized it because, but I realized it when I attend the Wipro first round. But in Wipro first round, they conduct the test using an ANCAT platform. So they, while in Wipro, they separated the coding round and aptitude test. If you are well known and completed the aptitude test, then only you will be able to attend the coding round. If you have failed in the first round, first aptitude test, you will be rejected for the coding round. Make sure you got to know that. And second thing is CTS. CTS also, they will give you a 1 minute, please. CTS also, they will give you a smart training, and make sure they will also that while you are attending the training sessions, 70% of the questions also will come for the CTS only. I realized while attending the test, but I got rejected. I don't know because my coding knowledge was a little bit lacky. And for Infosys, there will be no coding round. I'm assured there will be no coding round for you guys, but you have to have a knowledge of English. That's what the Infosys will be want to know from you. Okay. So in Infosys there will be only aptitude, verbal, and data interpretation questions only. Now no coding ground. Okay. And in TCS, it's off-campus drive. They have their own platform called TCS recruitment platform. In that, they ask one programming questions for 1 hour, and other 1 hour is for quantitatives and verbal, like that. That everything will be simple if you are able to attend the. If you have come to know across the TCS of campus, please apply for it. It will be useful for you. And CTS will be conducted through a metal platform, which KPIT is also doing recruiting the people from the metal platform for the first round. And these are the about day one companies. So make sure you got to know. You just listen what they are teaching you in the training. That is the matter. So about Venbertech, about my company. So Venbertech provides a complete solution for your home automation and building management system. So you guys might have come across the home automation and but you guys may not come to know about building management systems, which we simulate and automate the electrical, electronic, and mechanical devices. The business is separated in different domains like first sales executives, project executives, design executives, and commissioning engineering. So sales executives, like you have to get the projects from the vendors or the clients which you meet. The project executives concentrate on the projects, how to tackle and innovate the project for the clients. And design executive just designs circuitry boards and design the layout for the clients. And commissioning engineer is like a programming, like simulating and automating electronic and devices which they have. So in training period, they teach about home automation, BMS, and IBMS. Home automation is just like automating our ACs, light, and applying curtains for the window shades, like that. And BMS, a building management system, which covers the whole building, is to be managed by our single from one operator, like that. Because we can't do it manually. If you are having a buildings of 30 floors or 40 floors, we can do by ourselves manually, right? So we automate it through a programming languages, like I will show in the next slide. So during training, you also come. IBMS is integrated BMS solution. I mean, integrated BMS, like integrated building management system, which covers like CCTVs, fire alarm, smoke detectors, and PA system, which is public access system, like that. So during training, I come across different types of controllers to control the overall operation of the automation and simulation. So as I joined the company, they gave me a designation of commissioning engineer, which is a programming. And so the software we use is Loitech, Niagara, and Law Networks, these are the industrial-based softwares for automation and building simulation, doing simulations. So my internship experience, as I completed my internship in March, so during my internship, I learned a lot of technical and about home automation, how to do it, and what are the circuits they will be using, and so much fun activities will be I have come across. And the job is kind of teamwork. Every domain people should have to lead the project so that the project will be completed in a quicker way. So I gained a lot of experience in a short span of 3 months. But they gave me a project in the last month of my internship, which is a Kone elevators. There I have to automate with my colleagues, automate the electronic and mechanical devices, machinery devices, and want to get the readings of electricity which is consumed by the machineries, like that. So and different technologies for automations, and get to know about how to implement the betterment of future. That's what I learned from the internship experience. So make sure you feel free to visit the company's website, which is www.venbatech.com. You get to know about more about the companies. And before attending any of the companies for interview, make sure you go to their website and what they have achieved in the past of the years and what they are trying to do in the future. So that while attending a face-to-face interview, they ask some questions to you to like you have to ask some questions to the HR so that you make sure to get to know about their companies. So we Venbatech as associate partners with Honeywell, which provides us a controller called Snyder, and 3DM for the software called Niagara, and KNX is also provides us a controller for automation, and ABB also provides us a controller for automation. And these are the associated partners with Venbatech. And also Infosys also a little bit associated with partners, but uh, okay. And then we have Venbatech as a projects like Kone elevators, Samsung, Google, and all. Google is for consult. We are doing as a consultancy for the Google, and also Nokia, some companies, and Olympia. You might have heard the Olympia Tech Park. These are the projects we have took so far. And EA was EA Express Avenue, you guys know, right? The mall which was automated by our own company only. And these are the associate partners. So finally, I conclude my presentation. So be passionate and do hard work, and do a smart work also, and learn every day about the future technologies, and for your placement, so you can get your knowledge about what the outside world will be. And all the best for your future endeavors. Thank you, guys.
Thank you, Bharat.
Okay, ma'am.
So you explained all the points regarding your Venba technologies. Definitely, this what are the points you expressed. So definitely, this is useful for our third year students. Now I request Marisamy to present the session. Mari?
I'm audible.
Yeah. Okay.
Hello.
Okay. It's audible. Audible. Now you continue. Ma. Can I hear my voice, ma?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Screen
Okay.
is
Okay.
visible, ma'am.
Yeah. It's visible, ma.
Okay, myself Marisamy.
Replacement talk.
Yes, myself Marisamy, and I am going to share my experience about in the placement how to get placed in a Hexaware. So Bharat has shared more thing, and it should be related to me also. More content. first thing, placement. Before the placement, what the CGPA I have is total of 8.4, and the course I have completed is in the NPTEL discrete time signal processing and microprocessor microcontroller. The projects which I done in the college, and I have completed the internship in the North Chennai Thermal Power. This is the basic things which I had before the placement. So the about the AMCAP training, it's given a better experience to know how we are strong in which aptitude, coding, or on core topics. And we had a totally three tests of AMCAT. About how strong in the quants and logical and English. In the first two tests, we had a very less score in the quants and English. In the third set, we have improved it.
Mari, sorry to disturb you, ma. Marisami, கொஞ்சம் வால்யூம் ரைஸ் பண்ணிக்கோங்க, வாய்ஸ் ஆடிபிளா கொஞ்சம் ரைஸ் பண்ணிக்கோங்க வாய்ஸ்.
மேம் நோ ஓகே மேம். ஹலோ.
என்ன கொஞ்சம் வால்யூம் இதை இன்க்ரீஸ் பண்ண முடியுமா பாருங்க உங்களோடது.
நோ ஆடிபிள் மேம்.
Okay, now it is okay.
Okay ma'am.
Okay.
Now about the AMCAT, we have attended 3 tests and we know about what we are strong in the quants, logical and English and coding and etc. So after this skill rack, we have 684 medals. Before the 3 months of the placement, we have fully done the skill rack to improve our coding skills and doing daily tests like that. So and we have attended the weekly test also like MCQs etc. to make our perfect on the quants and logical. So after this, in the leave they given that after leave completing the 6th semester, we have attended the placement first in the May, like Jogo internship came for recruitment. In the first round, they had a total of 20 questions like coding. So we are not familiar much about this coding on the first day. So we attended and get rejected in the first round, and we learned how the coding test will be like a basics coding only, like even number etc. like 20 questions and MCQs also. After this, in the preparation for placement in the May month, 15 days training we have from the college, like from the phase training given about the quants, logical, English and coding skills. And every day we have the webinar, the skill rack, doing the hands-on practice like to develop our coding skills. So after the training finished in the May, the Salton Technologies, which is came for recruitment, which is a core company, and a schedule given that totally 10 rounds has been the first. After the first round, totally 10 rounds to the recruitment.
Yeah, Mari, we couldn't hear you.
Which will have to open 10. Yeah.
We couldn't hear you.
Now audible, are you sure?
You just
Hello?
keep the mic a little bit closer. No, I couldn't hear.
Hello? Harishwar?
A little bit louder.
Harishwar? Harishwar?
Yeah, this is okay. And in the previous slide, yeah, they kept the cutoff score as 4 out of 10. Solid, yeah.
4 out of
4
no.
out of 10, you will be selected for second round. Yeah.
Okay. I think I thought 7.
Okay. You can go with
Okay, in that, totally 4 out of this clear that friend Harishwar. So his aim is to get in the core company. So here get selected, total completion of 10 rounds. Okay, we have maximum our students has not clear in the first round of the physics and came out getting the Salton. So after the companies which we studied is Joho, Coda Global, Econ Systems. The Joho's first rounding is coding test. Basic questions like 20 questions, I think so. And in the Coda Global also, the first round is aptitude and Java, which has a quants, logical and coding as MCQs test. And after that, the fourth company is Econ System, which I attended. In that, the first round is like written test and the basic topic like core topics like DLC, LIC, MCQs and the microprocessor. The MCQ test has been conducted in the first round topic, and meanwhile also I think we should solve it and write the answer in the sheet, and same equal to the software the basic sheet like 10 to 20 questions, I think so. MCQs.
Mari,
And after completing these two both.
உங்களோட வாய்ஸ் ரொம்ப பிரேக் ஆகி வருதுமா. பிரேக் ஆகுது வாய்ஸ் ரொம்ப.
நெட்வொர்க் ஸ்லோவா இருக்கு போல மேம்.
அப்படியா?
குவாலிட்டின்னு வருது.
ஓகே ஓகே. பட் பிரேக் ஆகி
Oh, ma'am.
வருது.
Oh, ma'am.
ஓகேம்மா கம்ப்ளீட் பண்ணுங்க. ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணி
Okay. And the okay, ma'am. I have attended the ecosystem which they kept in first one DLC, LIC, and microprocessor as a first one topic, and basic coding MCQs as 20 questions. After clearing this second, we will go to second round, but we not cleared. And I have shared the experience from the persons who are attended the up to last round. And after the econ system, the results came for the sixth semester. So I have not cleared in the one of the subjects. So not meet the eligibility criteria by the company, like no standing arrears. So nearly, I think Delta X, HCL, KPIT, Swizzer, Cognizant, Wipro, Infosys, TCS. These are the day one companies. From Cognizant, Wipro, Infosys, TCS are day one. So up to that, I have didn't attended any company. Meanwhile, I think totally of 15 companies. After the same time, I had been preparing for the placement with and getting the experience from the friends like who are attended these companies, like asking what you did, what are they asked. So it gives a good experience to not repeat bias when I attended a company. So after this day two company, I think review results has been came. At the time I got passed, and meanwhile the day two companies like Emphasis and Venbar I didn't attended. After that only came Vembu Technologies, which is in IT. The first round is aptitude and MCQs, and we have attended, but the score has been not given for a 1 week. After the 1 week, the company came to the recruitment is Exava Technologies. So in the Exava Technologies, the first round is logical and quants. The logical quants, the more questions are basics of logical. So because they need the persons who need the more logical. So according to the 40 to 30 to 40 questions are more on logicals. After clearing the first round, they have selected the persons and we went to the group discussion. In the group discussion of total of 10 members, we attended and we had speaked on the group about the topic given in group discussion. So in the group discussion, you should be a good starter, like or ending the session, which gives a good impression on you. So after this, the technical round. In the technical round, he has a face-to-face interview. They ask the basics only because the Hexaver is in a special. They give training in the company, so they not concentrate more on coding. So they ask basic codings like even, number, and multiplication of factorial 5 factorial, that like so smaller codings, and also about the core topics like about microprocessor, microcontroller, how the machines works, electrical machines, what is stepper motor, and etc. So after clearing the technical round, we attended the English proficiency test, like in the computer. In that totally 5 sessions. Like first one, we are reading and we speak the English to them in the mic which is given. And in the second session, we will read the English which is the sentence which is seeing in this computer screen, and we should listen the sentence which is speak, and we should type it on the screen which see. And last one is comprehension, like about 200 words we should write. In this, the cutoff is for 100, I think 50 above. I got such like 60. So clear the English proficiency test and attended the HR round. The HR round is normal only. The seeing, taking the resume, they will talk about what is from where you are coming, what is tell about yourself. So after completing, they show the place where the training starts, and they will send you so like this that I selected in the Exaver. So I am somewhat not familiar with coding, so they didn't ask more about the coding because the Exaver is a company which give full training in the office itself. So after went for the internship training, they given the English proficiency training, like how to present in time management and business etiquettes, and knowing about the Exaver cultures, company culture. After that, in the coding part, they given a training for 3 months, like MySQL, Java, Angular, and HTML. So culture of companies, like we can meet anybody when you have a doubt, and you can call the names with higher officials also. It's the culture maintained the Exaver. So we shared many experience and many people who came. So different skills we learned, and we thought the coding is difficult. So when seeing this, after going a 3 months training, it's now we are familiar to it. So when we learn, we'll get familiar to it and know more. Okay. Conclusion. In the conclusion, and one more thing, Hexaver is an IT-based company which give more on automation, data, and cloud providers. So they are looking to transform to whole into the digital transformation. I shared all the experience which I have in the placement. So always be confident and believe in yourself in any situations and what the goal you need. So don't lose the confidence down. Thank you.
Thank you, Marisami. Definitely, whatever the points you told, our students will take as a positive
Yeah, ma'am.
manner. Thank you, thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Question from any one of you, Arishwar or Bharat or Marisami. Suppose if you're going to tell any weakness, tell about your weakness. Na? What are the points you have to tell? Any specific points you're having or Arishwar?
Yeah. Yes.
This is a general question. Ma. Suppose if I'm having suppose if I'm having a negative thoughts, so in that thought, whether I will express in one of the weakness or
Yeah. Actually, we should say about our weaknesses because no one is without drawback. Right? Everyone will have some weakness. Some might be lazy, even though they know a lot. Some might not know about a certain subject which is required for the company, or which they will say that you have to know this like that. Uh, so actually, the weakness is like it's from your perspective. That might be a positive point for the interview. Like what I said is till getting result for what the work I am doing. Like if I'm going into a project, I am doing some sort of work, right? So till completing that application, I won't be stop working. So I'll be crazy about getting the output for that. So that was one of my weaknesses, as I said. So from HR's point of view, it's like a positive point, but for me it's a negative because I am giving a lot of time for it, and we may even complete it later. But I am making a big deal out of it. So we might say crisscross point like that, so that they will be lot much interested in you, and you may be showing yourself more intelligent to them. So I use the technique like that. I'll say something which might be negative for me, but it will become a positive point for the interviewer.
sometimes the negative point make it as a problem. That's why I'm asking.
Yeah, but some people said that they don't have any weaknesses. So suddenly they start to question that if you don't have any weaknesses, let me ask you some questions and some problems. Let me give you some problems. You show how you will face them since you don't have weakness. So they'll feel being challenged that that we have no weaknesses at all, because everyone has some sort of weakness and we have to know about our weaknesses. So this question is just to make us to know whether we know about ourselves. The self realization is the factor for this question. So if we know about ourselves, then we will know there will be some weakness in our attitude, so we should say about that to them. So that's the main point.
Okay. Then one more thing I want to convey you. So you have to tell while preparing a resume. So depending upon the company, they have to put a area of interest.
Yeah, ma'am.
That point you have to tell to all the students, ma. Because always a student company, they are putting always the area of interest. So for example, electrical machines, microprocessor, like that. For all the companies, they are keeping the same subject. So that point you have to convey to all the students how to put a area of interest while preparing a resume.
Yeah, ma'am. Already I said about this during my presentation too. Like, if you're going to attend core companies, you have to put core subjects as your area of interest. And the same, if you're going for product companies, you have to put like any language or specific technology you know in that language. Like, since you all know Python, some might know machine learning or data science or big data analysis, etc. So, specifically, you can put what you know there for each and every company. Like, it should be based on the company's field of work. So you have to take care of that too.
That's right. Because many students not attending continuously. No, some are joined today or yesterday like that. That's why I'm telling once again.
Okay.
Okay, ma. Any other points you ask students? Ask
They
your
ask
questions.
what
Ma.
is the salary package given in Hexaver? Mari.
Super. A very good question. Ma.
Yeah, it's a good question. I think you will get a notification like from the RMK when that comes for recruitment. So in that only it will be clear like how much here the bond and how much the package. So it's same like it's a 3 lakhs package. I think after us somebody's have recruitment, it's a package of 5 lakhs. So for other 3 years months, it is a 3 lakhs package. After you are getting aligned to the projects, so it may be increased the package according to the what project you are assigned and what the work you do.
Yeah. Any other questions? Like you can ask till day 2 companies whatever questions are day 1, day 0. So because with this day we will complete all the companies till day 2. So there won't be any more sessions for asking these sort of doubts. The next session will be based on Japanese language proficiency.
For a tomorrow session.
Yeah. So any placement regarding doubts for other companies you may ask. Like we do have the time.
Students, put your questions. Ma. Any doubts?
Like one had asked.
I think Harishwar Rupika is asking some question.
Some websites for brain teasers.
Jesus.
Brain teasers like similar to riddles you might have a lot in Brightside YouTube channel. So you
Yeah.
can see a lot of videos in that, and I did share that to different students. Brightsides and Riddler, there is a channel called Riddler. TEDx channel will have a little bit more than a brain teaser. Like they'll give you a different perspective for each and every riddles and the ways to solve them. Little bit other than YouTube channels. Need some let's see. Bharat or Mari, do you know any websites for brain teasers?
Hello.
You can see any
Hello.
websites for brain teasers.
Oh, brain teasers only.
I think you can search in Google. Google is the best thing. What the doubt you have, if you search in Google, it will show everything. According to it, you can search it.
Yeah, actually, we didn't search sorting in web. We just saw it through video because it's like we had a lot of understanding through it. Yeah, instead of having it as question and answer, saw it through. So if we get to know any good sites, I'll share it in the group with you all.
Yeah. If you're getting any good sites now, then after that you will share through that group now. Already you are formed
Okay,
a group now. In that group you post the websites.
Yeah, I am
Okay.
storing the questions which you
Okay.
ask in each session so that even those unanswered will be answered in person after the whole sessions get over.
Okay. Okay.
On some ideas about automation projects. Bharat, I think you may answer to this.
Hello.
Yeah, they asked some ideas about automation projects.
Automation projects like in my company or
No, the projects that they can do, students can do.
they can do a simple home automation projects using Raspberry Pi or Arduino. It's enough.
Yeah, like can you
Because
explain
the
any
company,
small
Venbatech
project?
small project, I have no
Like
idea
you
about
did
because
the water level indication, motor switch on and off automation.
yeah, that requires a different software.
No, just in Raspberry Pi, like what are things that you can do? You can just say like a simple home automation using sensors actually. Yeah, we even did some like in TWOM, no two-wheeler optimization. We use that
Yeah.
LDRs and yeah, ultrasonic sensors. We use that for proximity. We use that as proximity sensors. When some people pass through the doors, we thought of unlocking the door when they get near to it. So we get the actuators for the doors from stores, which will be connected via internet. Like we can connect it using IoT or home Wi-Fi. So both are like home Wi-Fi is most preferred actually to good connectivity. And so like if any person come to near the in between the proximity sensor, then it will show the variation in distance. If we keep it for two height levels, we may find that whether it's a kid or it's adult, it's an adult. So based on whom we can open or don't not open a door, yeah, we can control it with Raspberry Pi. It's like it's better for IoT than Arduino. So this is like a simple project which you can do to learn basic coding in Python in Raspberry Pi, and also you can get to know more about sensors. Like we use for simple purposes, we can say it's ultrasonic, but for some others we have to have IR transmitter receiver or RFID. Like they are using it in some places for entry and exit. So similar way you can use RFID too. There are a lot more in that you can explore actually. Ideas is something which you come up with. We may help you with what are the things that you may get available in the market so that you can use them for realizing those ideas. So ideas, I think you have to explore by yourself for getting a better view. Is that okay, Bharat?
Yeah.
So any other questions? Actually, you can ask in private. When interview is asking about your okay. If we
Salary package you want.
did any other get this question? Because I got this question during my personal interview. Bharat or Mari, did you get this question? Like,
No, man.
what about Mari?
I have experience with it.
Like
Interviewer has asked me like, you have seen the package like 3 lakhs and 3 years bond. So what you are thinking? He asked. So placement is confirmed for us. So I told I am familiar, and they also asked about you told to the parents. So I told that they know, and they also waiting to be placed. So for me, okay, I have told to the HR.
so in my case, actually Soliton has a policy like the employees shouldn't reveal their like their annual package to others, to their co-employees or to their family members themselves. That's it's to just to make sure that everyone are treated equally in Soliton. Other than that, what we heard is that based on your performance, the base package will be for me it's 4.25 to 5.4. The 4.25 is still my probation period for the next 6 months from August to January. After that, we will get based on a performance from 5.4 and greater based on a performance actually. Negotiable is that mostly the company will have that they can afford maximum up to this level. So some companies might accept if even if you negotiate, but others will say that we came here for a constant or a fixed package. So if we have to give more to you, we have to give more to others. Even though we may be technically better, it's like not negotiable actually. If you say that I want more package, then they say that no, we can't offer. Most of the companies say so, but some companies based on the company actually like
You can actually negotiate with your HR interviews, but as a fresher, you don't do that. Sometimes you might lose your job offer.
if you are very much good at everything and you
And
think that
everything,
do
and you have
better
a
than
skill
that
to do it, you
package,
can negotiate with HR.
yeah, if they say it's
It
not
will be
okay,
black for
yeah, you can go to a
it
better
will be
company.
black
That's
mark
what
for
they
you.
start to do. Yeah. So it's better not to negotiate, but you can ask like can you please increase the salary package because this won't be enough for us. So that sort of questioning will be appreciated by the HR maybe.
In the HR round, they will observe what you are telling, and the results are received by the next day by the placement coordinator. So we can't say anything like negotiation. So in the HR round, maximum they observe what you are saying, how is your attitude. That only maximally observable in the HR round. After checking all the profiles of who are get selected in HR round, and they will give the results on the next day.
Yeah, and also see about the company's location and where the company is located, where will you get the job? Because during KPT selection process, yes, one certain student or two or more certain students, what they said is that after getting selected to final HR, like it's actually if you go to final HR, you already got placed. The final HR will be like just for sake and how to get to know more about you. So during that time, they'll ask that whether going to like KPT is in Bangalore and Pune, they'll ask whether going to Bangalore or Pune is that okay for you. So one said, one said that no, I heard that the company is in Chennai. I'll only work in Chennai. Otherwise, I don't want to work at all. The HR got angry.
That
They stood up and they didn't select any more students after that particular student got out. So they shouted at our placement that why are you making someone who doesn't even know about the company to come and attend and waste our time? Because we selected them after about 2 or more hours of process, and now they are telling that they are not interested. So they got angry regarding it. So just know about the company. If you're sure that you want to get placed in that company, and you think that you won't go for any other companies later, you can attend that company and you can go further. Otherwise, I'll say that it's better off you get out before the technical HR. Like even if you call for technical HR and you think that you don't want to go to that company, then don't go to technical HR because it will become a black mark for our college too. And like they'll get a bad attitude towards other students. Like 70 other students nearly didn't get selected because of that one candidate.
because
So it was really bad for others.
and another incident was also happened during the KPT selection process. One guy came to the final round and he was telling like I was more interested in doing coding and like stuff, not interested in doing core products like circuits and all. They got rejected because of that. So KPT is also is not expecting the student to only coding. They are also expecting more knowledge about the core subjects also. So you got rejected for telling like that I'm more interested in coding, not doing like circuits problems like that. So be sure what you say to the HR.
Yeah, and also when trying to get into the panels for technical and HR interview, always try to be in starting of the whole interview process or in the middle. Don't go at the end because when we saw the whole placement process for every company, those who went in the start or in the middle, like the numbers from starting, first one to go into the panel, like if they have 100 people, those who went till 60, totally 40 to 50 of them got selected out of 60. And those who got rejected also were based on their technical skills. But after those who went after 60, they didn't select them properly because they already got the number that they want. Like each and every company will have a certain number of people to be recruited from each and every college. So since they got the numbers earlier, they didn't want to select most of them. So they made it a little bit harder and thought of sending most of them back. So out of remaining 40, only 5 or 10 may be selected. So that might be the chances. But for our department's sake, Nagapalan sir did a very good job, and he will always make us to go in the start or in the middle only. He never made us to go in the last. So when I heard from other departments that since they went last, they didn't get placed. Most of the companies made this thing. So that might not be a problem for you, but even you can say to your friends or someone, and if they give the opportunity to you to go and like raise your hands and you can go inside for a walk-in interview. They did say so. Now you can go earlier, so that's better actually. So any other doubts? Yeah, actually, to Maheshwaran, the proper answer would be what the company suggests that they'll give for the employees, that you must actually stick to that. That's what I would say. But one thing had happened, like some companies, they will say another like a different package to some other college and a different package to our college. So if you heard that the other college had a higher package, you could actually try to get that package. You could say that if for our college it came for 3 lakhs and for other college it came for 4.5 lakhs, you can ask that I want the 4.5 lakh package because I think I am capable. If you think you are. So it's
Hello.
really based on you. If you think you can do well, you can ask for that package and you can say that you went to that college. We heard that you gave them this package. So why didn't you give us this? Like you can ask them what's the reason. If you think the reason which they give is admissible, you can stick with their package, or you can. It's up to you what you think about it. That will be the reply even I will be giving. So other than this, anyone? No, you can actually ask through your voices too. You can unmute yourself and you can ask any questions. Since it's the last day, we won't be able to find more time for clearing doubts regarding this.
Is your voice is breaking?
Yeah, can you hear me now?
Yeah.
Yeah, today is the last day, so you can ask doubts regarding the placements today actually. So later we won't be there to clear doubts about this other than doing it first. So yeah, okay. I will try to maintain the. Yeah, you asked that what should we answer for? Why should I hire you question? Yeah, why should we hire you? It's a question that the company will ask. Bharat, can you answer that question? Actually, the question, yeah, Bharat, do you want to answer or?
You can, man. I didn't face any questions like that.
Yeah, this question is just another way of asking what are the strengths, what are your strengths. So you should say the strengths about yourself, like any positive attributes that you have. That's just another way of putting that question. If you say what your strengths are, they'll say that then at last you can end with that these are the points, or these are the positive attributes with which you can hire me, so that I might be able to contribute to your company with greater perspective. So you can end the question with that, and that will solve all.
First thing, if you get to know about the company, you will definitely answer this question.
Yeah, you have to know what the company needs.
What the company needs. You definitely answer this question.
Other than that, any other question? Like if you ask doubts in person, you will ask in sessions. If you ask it, it will be even more useful because ma'am is planning to upload this in YouTube, and like even your juniors can see this, and later you could be able to view on it. You can say just ask questions related to it. So if you ask more doubts, they will learn. Even your teachers for others right now. So I will ask you to ask more questions actually.
Okay, ma'am. Arisha, I think no questions from student side.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Shall we end the session?
Okay, ma'am. If you want, Bharat, Mari, do you want to
Yeah.
share your contacts to lady students who has doubt regarding your abilities. Is that okay?
Can't hear you, da.
Yeah, okay.
So if you're interested, na, you give your mobile number, mail ID, ma.
Yeah,
I will
okay.
share that
Personally,
in
if
the
they
Okay.
want,
ma'am.
yeah.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So that's it.
Okay.
Can we end the session?
So, Marisamy and Bharat, I will convey my thanks to you, ma, because
Yes, I
you will have
thank
a
you,
lot
ma'am.
of works. So, in that busy schedule, you came and presented your experience regarding your companies, your placement experience, everything. So, definitely, this is useful for our students. Once again, I will convey my heartful thanks to you all, Arishwar,
You're welcome, ma'am.
Marisamy, as well as Bharat. Thank you,
Thank
ma.
you. You're welcome, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma. Thank you.
ஹரிஷ் லீவ் மீட்டிங் லீவ் பண்ணலாமா?
Exit. End பண்ணிடலாம்.
எக்ஸிக்யூட்டிவ். ஓகே.
Thank you, ma'am.
Harish, leave.
தேங்க் யூ டா மாரி.
Leave பண்ணலாம் ஹரிஷ்.
Thank you, ma.
Thank you,
Thank you, ma.
தேங்க் யூ மேம். தேங்க் யூ மேம்.
Okay.
Thank you, Harish.